Here we have one of our Creo cables, or cables for Creo application. The customer really wants to know what is the performance of this cable when it is in the cool temperature. So now we are on the way to finally finish Creo the setup, where we have the cable winded in, and this will be put in a tube where it's only a little bit gas inside, and the whole setup, and it's closed. So on this one, it's we send that up in a can where the liquid and helium is in, and it will cool down the pipe out and outside, and with the time it will also cool down the cable inside. And this means so the temperature inside needs some time to go down to the Creo temperature, to the 4 Kelvin. We measure in parallel the temperature inside and S parameter of the cables. After that test is done, so we can really say how is the performance of the cable is Creo temperature, and how it goes down is attenuation and return loss and so on. And this is what we can provide for our customer also, that the full performance of this cable when they use it at a really low temperature. Many of them wants to know, because yes, the attenuation goes down, and this has an influence on the whole system design for them. And if you have questions about Creo cables for Creo application, please don't hesitate and ask us. We have good variety on cables that you can use in Creo application.